I'm Susan. Today I'm doing a double with Scrappy Saturday. I'm using up some of the scraps I have. And I found a challenge where you make clusters blindfolded. And I thought this was fun. And I saw the video on Thursday and I'm filming on Friday, so it'll be up on Saturday. And it's from Pam from Outpost and Luise Heinzl. And they're the ones that are doing this challenge. And it's Crazy Craft Challenge. So I thought it would be fun to participate. Now they'll have a new challenge out today, but I'm a little late in the game on this one, but I think it'll be okay. So I've got old gator mask of mine, and I'm going to put that over my eyes. And I've got my stapler, and I've got my fabric, bigger scraps, smaller scraps, focal points, and some bling. And so hopefully this will go well, and hopefully my cat won't jump on the table while I'm filming. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off. I'm going to put this on. I want you to see, hopefully you can see that I can't see anything. And let me kind of acclimate myself. And let's get started. I've got to do 5 clusters. So, let's see. To say this is different. So I've got a bigger one, and I just mixed up my paper, so I don't know what I'm going to get. So let me see if I can find another piece of paper. Find a piece of fabric of some sort. Okay, I don't have a clue as to what I've got. This should be interesting. And I'm just going to staple. I'm going to have to get me one of those Tim Holtz tiny staplers. I don't have one. And I think I'm going to put a little bling on it. Because why not? I hope y'all are all doing good. I hope y'all have been watching the hashtag and seeing everything. They're pretty funny, to be honest with you. So I had to get in on it. Alright, that's number 1. Alright. See what else I can find. Dig in the bottom. This is very interesting. Okay. All right. Okay, number 2. Oh, I forgot what I'm doing. All right. Couple of bigger pieces. Okay. Okay. Feels like tulle or something. Trying not to turn anything upside, because I think most everything was right side up, if I'm not mistaken. I can only hope. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I hope I can staple. It feels lumpy. Okay, number 3. Feels rougher on this side, so hopefully that's the right side up. Okay. I don't know what that is. Why not a little more bling? Let me pull something from the bottom so I don't get the same color as before. Let's do 3, why not? Alright, I think that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's 5. Alright. Let's see what I got. Ooh. Now I gotta get my eyes acclimated because didn't have my glasses on. Oh, now that turned out pretty. I love that one. Oh, that one's not bad. Oh, vellum paper. Oh, I like that. Now that one's a little wild, I have to say. I like that one. Of course, we got rugby and football mixed with, who cares? That was fun. So let me move all this stuff and let's show you what I got. Like I said, I just grabbed bits and bobs of everything. So we've got that one, that one, that one, and that one. I'm kind of pleased. Only one that's kind of weird to me is that one. But I think this one's my favorite. Although I kind of like this one too. Huh. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I got rid of some of my scraps. So it's a win-win. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about my clusters. I'm really kind of happy with them. And be sure and check out the hashtag. I'll have it listed down below. It'll be listed in my title and in my description box. This is fun. I can't wait to see what they come up with on Saturday or today. So until next time, bye y'all.